Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Today we are going to cook a chicken madras, a traditional chicken madras on the bone. So therefore we are going to use a boiler chicken, which is an older chicken, which is best for this recipe. So let's get together 250 grams of onions chopped up and 4 green chilies. We are going to use half a kilo of chicken on the bone today. We're going to put a cube of my ginger and garlic paste, which you make with half garlic, half ginger, a little bit of water and blend. To this pot we're going to add some peppercorn, some bay leaves, cardamom pods 4 and cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of star anise seed. I'm only using half of the chicken, which is about half a kilo, so put in half a cup of oil. Then place all your dry spices. And your tomatoes, green chilli, onions and garlic and ginger paste. What we want to do now is bring this to a boil. That's a teaspoon of salt I just added. Bring this to the boil and then turn it down and put a lid on it for about 10-15 minutes. Keep giving it a stir. We want to break the onions down a little before we add some water. So after about 10-15 minutes, when you get to this stage, you want to add some water. Stop the process from burning. And once you've added the water to this level, then you want to give it a good stir, turn it right down to maybe low to medium, and put the lid on and cook this for good 40 minutes. Stir this occasionally and check that the curry is not sticking to the pot. Then after 40 minutes, these are the spices we will need to finish the dish. We are going to add the spices now. As you can see, the water has reduced right down. We're going to put a teaspoon of chili. Let's make it, no, teaspoon is fine. I think teaspoon and a half for me will be too hot, but if you like it hotter, you can add a little bit more at this stage. Cumin powder, about half a teaspoon. Coriander, about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Paprika, half a teaspoon. And turmeric, about half a teaspoon. Now what we want to do is, this is the methi leaves I've just put in, and some lemon juice. Give this a good stir for a few minutes. What we're going to do is try to break down the onions. I will leave all the amounts of ingredients required for this dish in the description to make it more easier for you to follow. Give it a good stir now. Very important that you keep stirring so you have a nice sauce. and also the onions get fried in the oil. This process will take a good 5 minutes. Just keep stirring to break it down. Once you get to this stage, now we add the water. Add a little at a time and just keep stirring. Keep adding a little at a time and keep stirring. We want to break down the onions to give a good sauce. So what I do is just adding little at a time the water, keep stirring and stirring until the sauce is nice and smooth. We're nearly there now. We're just going to add a little bit more water and then basically put the lid on and leave for about 15 minutes and we're done. Please try this dish. This is a traditional chicken madras cooked home style, and one day hopefully I will do some chicken madras where you cook restaurant style by cooking a base sauce. Well, this is it, all done. Let me know how you got on in the comments, and bye for now, and hopefully see you soon.